Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever needed to WhatsApp call someone but didn't want to save their number? Maybe for a quick business inquiry or a one time chat? Well, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it on your Android phone. No extra apps needed. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome or any browser on your Android phone. Now, type this in the address bar wa.me/ followed by the country code and phone number. For example, if your number is +1 23456788900, type wa.me/12345678900. No spaces, no plus signs, and no symbols, just digits. Now replace this number with the actual contact you want to call. Here I am using the contact I'd like to call. Press enter and the WhatsApp page will open. Tap continue to chat. This will take you straight to the chat screen. From there, just tap the call button and start your conversation. That's it. No need to save the number. That was quick, right? Now you can WhatsApp call anyone without cluttering your contacts list. Did this trick help you? Try it out and let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tips.